Hey everybody, welcome to the weekly top 10. We've been doing top 15 high yield based on yield only. I decided to bring it back to 10 because I'm going to show you the top 10 total returners as well. That list will shock you, so let's go right to it. These are the top 10 yielders based on the average of the last three distributions and the current price. They average 184% yield. So let's jump right in. At number 10, down from number 11, because remember we did top 15, is going to be, let's go to home and fill it in white. It's going to be Yield Boost, the Hood strategy, HOYY, credit put spreads on Robinhood, double leverage, which is ROBN, I believe is a ticker. Price is $14.68. They are paying 44 cents, 39 cents at the last three. These are all weekly. Well, this is weekly. There's some monthlies in here too. They're at 151% annualized yield. Up from number 11, down to number 10. Number 9, up from number 12, is going to be SMYY from Yield Boost. They're at $13.87 a share, and they've paid 43 cents, 44 cents, and now 37 cents. They pay Tuesdays, 41-cent average, almost 42. That is a 156.8% yield. Number 8, down from number 4, is going to be RTYY, another Yield Boost fund. 21.65 a share. Average of the last three is 65 cents. That's 71 cents, 65 cents, 59 cents. 157% yield. Down from number 4 to number 8. Down from number 5 to number 7. Another Yield Boost fund. These are all Granite shares. IOYY. That's they trade put credit spreads on double leverage IonQ. They're at $18.54 a share. Last three payments are 59, 58, and 51 cents. 158% yield. Down from number 5 to number 7. IOYY. This is up from number 8 to now number 6. Another Yield Boost fund. COYY on Coinbase. CO and L is the double leverage Coinbase. They do put credit spreads on that fund. It's at 873, so it's down. In total capital gain, it's a capital loss, but they're paying massive: 28 cents, 27 cents, 24 cents, 160% yield. Up from number 8, back to number 6. Number 5, up from number 7. It's going to be another Yield Boost fund, MAAY, $15.94 a share. Last three payments are 52 cents, 52 cents, 47 cents, 166% yield. Up from number 7, now number 5. That's MAAY. Number 4, up from number 6, is a Bitwise fund on Mara. IMRA is the ticker. They pay monthly. They do pay twice in December. They paid early. They will declare again this coming Thursday and pay they'll declare Wednesday because Thursday's a holiday. Normally it's Thursday, pay Tuesday. They're declaring Wednesday and will pay Tuesday, I believe. Not financial advice. You guys know that. So IMRA at $16.62 a share. Again, it's monthly. They've paid $2.89. 301, and then the last one was 169 per share. Average is 254. It has dropped, so we might expect a lower payment coming up this week, but still massive yield, 183%. That is up from number 6. Number 4, IMRA, we call it. Then down from number 2 to number 3 is IMST, another Bitwise fund on strategy. We know what's happened with strategy. It's tanked, but this fund is paying $14.13 per share, and they've paid $3.75, $2.88, and then $1.50. So also dropping in distributions, but that is a 230% yield. And that's number 3, down from number 2. Number 2, previously number 1, you guys probably know it, it's iCoin, Bitwise, Coinbase covered call strategy, $18.89 a share. They have paid $4.79, $3.93, and then $2.59 was the last one. So the average is $3.77, 239% yield, and that is solid. Again, they'll declare again Thursday. I'm probably going to add to that. I don't know yet what I'm going to do Monday. I own quite a bit. It's my second biggest holding. Number 1, up from number 3, is a weekly, and it is Defiance MST. They do options on MSTR. It's at $6.39 a share. It did do a reverse split, I believe a 1-for-4, when it was at $2. So it went to $8, and now it's down to $6.39 because they're paying massive yield. It was 14 cents, which I multiplied by 4. That was pre-split to adjust for the split. And then 21 cents, now back to 9 cents. But it's averaging 30 cents a week. That is a 244% yield. So that's your top 10 yielders. Now, over here, we've got the top 10 total returners. Totally different list. Some of these will shock you. So let's jump right in. I do have the average annualized total return of all of these is 139.56%. That's with and without drip. I averaged both and put that here, 139. The average with drip, 143.68% annualized. And the average without drip, 135.44% yield. You'll notice drip, no drip. If a fund is up, it's better to drip. If it's down, it's better not to drip. So I've reset all my funds. Some are dripping, some are not, based on these numbers. So let's just jump right in. Number 10 is going to be Rex Walmart Fund, WMTI, growth and income. It's at $27.80 a share. Annualized total return with drip, 104% on Walmart. Without drip, 103%. So the average is 104.25. But you're going to see some interesting funds in here that you may want to own. Not financial advice. You guys know that. I'm not a financial advisor. Do your own research and figure out drip or no drip for yourself. Because some it works better, some it doesn't. Which, I've learned recently. So I can change that. So number 9, Yield Max, Chippy, Semiconductors, $54.59, 109% with drip, annualized total return. And I do annualize because some have been out longer than a year, some have been less than a year. So I annualize it, and we can compare apples to apples. So 109.51 annualized with drip, 99% without. So big difference there. 104 average. Number 8 is going to be another Yield Max fund. Hui on Robinhood. You see Yield Max in here. People complain about it all they want. The strategy works. The underlying has to do well. Strategy has not done well. So, take it. A lot of them have not done well. Some of them have done great. And Robinhood has done well. They're at $48.95 a share. 119% with drip. 111% annualized total return without drip. And for those that you don't know, drip is dividend reinvestment program purchase. You're basically, when you receive a dividend or a distribution, you're putting it back into the fund. And so you're getting more shares along the way. If it's gone up, that's good. And if it's gone down, that's not good because you're getting more shares. I mean, it's in theory, it's good. You're dollar cost averaging, but a lot of these funds are going down faster than you can reinvest. So you get a negative total return there. But this one's positive. 119% with the dividend reinvestment. If you just take the dividends out, keep them for yourself, you have the same shares that you started with, and you got 111% total return, annualized. 115 average between the two. Number 7 is going to be a Roundhill fund on Hood also. HOOW. $51 fund, 117% with drip, 118 without drip. So this one's better not to drip. Sometimes you'll see that. 118 average. That is number 7, HOOW, from Roundhill. Number 6, Yield Max Palantir, Platy. I do own this. So far, this is the only one I own of the list, by the way. I bought this early. My total return is up. I do drip it, and it's worked out well. It's at $54, 142% annualized total return with drip. Without drip, big difference, only 101. Still great. That's a 122% average annual total return. Number 5 is another Rex fund. Eli Lilly, LLII. It's new, so these numbers are all over the place. But as of today, they're at $28.19, 141% with drip, 140 without. Average is 140. That is number 5, Eli Lilly from Rex Growth and Income. Number 4, another Roundhill fund on Google. I bought this one last week because of it was number 1 total returner. And let me show you what I did for you. Go to Roundhill. Let's go to GOOW right here. Look at their last 3 payments. Here we go. 75 cents, 64 cents, down to 45 cents. You know why it's down to 45 cents? Because I bought it. Anyway, annualized yield is only 46%, but they got that 172 with drip. Let's go back to here. 172 with drip, 156 without drip, 164 average annualized total return. That is GOOW. I did buy that, and I am dripping it. So I'll buy more. They declared yesterday that lower payment, but I'll take it and buy more shares. So number 3 is another Roundhill fund, a gold miners fund, GDXW. I don't have any gold exposure unless it's in, a basket of fund, Ulti or whatever. So I don't have any gold exposure. I am considering this, but we'll see. They're at $58 a share, 174% with drip, 168 without. Averages 171% annualized total return. And number 2, YBMN, brand new from Defiance. Let's look at that. It's on Bitmine Immersion. Where is it? Right here, YBMN. $25 a share. They have paid 11 cents, 18 cents, 44 cents. It's getting bigger. 51% yield, massive total returns. So that's YBMN from Defiance, pays weekly, 176% annual average total return. Number 1. Remember, it was GOOW last week. I didn't have a chart, so I don't have previous rank. I just looked at them. I picked the best one. It was GOOW. So number 1 is Yield Max Tesla Target 25 Fund. Test. Brand new. It's at $56. Let's look at them. I did start covering them in my Yield Max tab. They're at the top because they declare Monday, ex-date Tuesday, payday Wednesday. You got the MSST, which is on strategy, NVIT on NVIDIA, and then the Tesla fund. It's I believe the only one. No, the NVIDIA one is a 9% total return. But this one, it's averaging 26 cents, 23 annualized yield. The target's 25. It'll fluctuate, these are 23 to 28 between these three. 178% with drip, 177 without. It's new, so we will keep an eye on it, but I'm thinking of buying this for that reason, because everything I own is degenerate. It's paying big income, but the income fluctuates so much, and the NAV price fluctuates so much. And I'm very bullish on Tesla, so this might be a great fund to just jump in a little bit and drip it, see what happens. So what I'm thinking is, I put in money every week from my paycheck. I'm thinking half of it in test and half of it in either MST or iCoin. So it's like a half degenerate, half growth fund, my own growth and income. So I don't know, MST, it's paying the biggest yield, but it's strategy. I'm bullish on it. It's going to come up at some point, in my opinion, not financial advice. But every time I say that, it goes down more. So I don't know what I'm going to do. But I am going to buy some test for sure. And then probably one of these two, if not both, just kind of split it up a little bit. Because iCoin does have another payment end of the month. I own a bunch of it. And I got FOMO. What if they do pay higher? I want that. So that's the top 10. This will be how we'll cover it from now on. It'll be top 10 yielders, top 10 total returners. And me personally, I'll probably buy a little bit of both each week and see where we are, later on. So have a great day. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button, please, and leave a comment. Let me know what you think of the new coverage on the top 10. And we'll see you next time. Have a great day.